A mainstay for any collection of lenses is a fast standard prime. At 30mm, the new Sigma-mounted EFM contemporary lens is a focal length that every filmmaker should have, and in truth, is a more versatile focal length than any kit lens that came with your camera. Released at the end of 2019 as part of a trio of contemporary lenses from Sigma, the 30mm EFM mount can be found for a mere £330. For that incredibly low price point, you're getting a fantastic quality prime lens that, in many respects, anyone shooting video with an EOS M range of camera should have in their kit bag. Sitting in front of that APS-C size sensor that you get on the EOS M range of cameras, you're getting an effective focal length of around 45mm, which for any talking headpieces like this is the perfect focal length. In many ways, this lens is a must-have for any video shooter, and for me, it represents that perfect balance between quality and value that the EOS M range of cameras has been missing. The build quality of this lens is actually incredible, especially when we consider the price point. It's still very compact and lightweight to marry up perfectly with your EOS M body, but still has a weightiness to it and a hardiness to the construction that you associate with the quality of Sigma's contemporary lenses. The autofocus on this lens is actually really incredible too. It's both fast and nearly silent. Now, it's a combination that's such a rare thing for video shooters that when you come across it, you almost have to rejoice. It's fast enough to stand up to the rigors of any vlogging or run and gun style shooting, whilst also being quiet enough to not be picked up by any on-body or in-body microphones. That fast aperture when wide open is also something to celebrate. It gives you so many creative options that up to this point have been entirely missing from this range of cameras. The lack of image stabilization is a downside for video, especially for those looking to shoot handheld or in a vlog style. That said, it is the only downside that I can find about this lens, and it's less of a negative and more of a compromise that you're going to have to accept to get this much optical quality at that lower price point. So the EFM mounted 30mm f1.4 contemporary lens from Sigma is one of those rare breeds of camera gear that is a must-have for anyone shooting with that respective range of cameras. Not only is its focal length perfect for video, that fast aperture an amazing creative tool, but the sheer value and quality balance that it represents makes it an easy investment to make, and one that I would recommend for anyone using the EOS M range of cameras. So for some more information on this lens, there's some links below, and whilst you're down there, why not consider subscribing to our channel or even signing up to the Filmmakers Club on Patreon. That's been my grab and go review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.